Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and here we have an ABUS Pfaffenhain 2-star SKG Euro cylinder, for which I have no key. And this was kindly given to me by a friend Rick, and do you know what? It's always time to pick one of these locks. Now, you probably can't tell, but I can just about see down here that there are 6 pin chambers. And I've taken off a particularly tricky to get off sprung, I want to say C-clip, but it's a very weird shaped one. This is horrible to get off, did not enjoy. Nevertheless, here we are, an ABUS Pfaffenhain 2-star ABUS Pfaffenhain 2-star SKG Euro cylinder. So I think we should give a pick of this lock and see if we can gut it. I'll try and do that from the front. Shouldn't be any nasty surprises apart from that rather gnarly keyway. And yeah, let's have a go. So all I have to do is remember that I've taken out the circlip and I don't end up auto gutting this lock and spilling all its contents everywhere. So I've got a piece of bent wiper blade, and I have a 18 thousandths medium hook and a gem. I'm going to try with the gem first because I do like the gem. Put on a little bit of turning force, but just hold it with the tips of my thumb. You should be able to see I'm not putting a lot of force on here, just going through straight down the center of that keyway. It's paracentric, so I can't go round the warding, I have to go above it. So this is pin 3. Lift quite high. A bit more. Yeah, something there. Okay, pin 2, nothing. Pin 1, nothing. Okay, so back to the back. Pin 4, little click. Pin 2, nothing. Pin 1, nothing. Might just go in with a deeper hook. Oh, pin 6 at the back was binding, I think. Nothing on 6, 5, 4, 3, little click. Do you hear that click? 2, nothing. 1, nothing. Okay, back to the back. Switch back over to my gem, just to find the feedback's nicer on this. Pin 2, I think it's binding there. Okay, nothing there at all. Definitely pin 2 here. Little movement there. Nothing on 6, 5, little click. 4, little click. 3, 2, 1, nothing. Back to the back again. A little click on 5 there. That's 4 again. 3, nothing. 2. Anything on 1? I think I'll just overset 1 to just release some tension. Okay, good. Back through. 2, nice little click. Ooh, really nice click on 6 there. So that was good. And on 5, hear that nice click there? So I don't know what's going on inside this lock, but 4, very gritty. 3 was very deep set. Back to the back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Bounce some of that tension. Go back in again. Get under those pins. Oh, wow. I don't know what I nudged, but went into a bit of a false set. Now, that makes me think, was there a T-pin in there or something else? Oh, and another nudge, and we're just deeper into the set now. Pin 4 here, counter rotation. And we are open. I've got no idea what's going on inside that, but it felt like it's like a T-pin or something going on. Very strange. It didn't feel to me, at least, like it's just standard driver pins and spool driver pins. It felt like there was T-pins in there, maybe serrations, but I'd be honestly guessing at that point. So let's see if I can't rotate that round. This is the pick side. We're taking the circlip off all the way around like that, and then I should be able to get hopefully a pinning shoe down here. If not, then I've got a Pinning shoe made out of a, there we go, little hair grip thing, a bobby pin to those in the US. Let's see if I can't pull this out. I think the key pins were standard, but I could be wrong again. Oh no! Oh, I thought so. I thought I'd trapped something in there, but I hadn't. So that was very fortunate. Right, now let's get the so yeah, German lock, and this follower set was made for me about 6 years ago by the fantastic picker and a channel that I really love to watch, Red Cat Imaging. If you remember Foxy from Red Cat Imaging and the UK Locksport forum, shout out to Foxy. Very much miss his videos. He always was innovating and doing some cool stuff. So standard steel pin in position 1. This is going to prove me wrong, it's just going to be all spools and nothing exciting at all in here. Just maybe interesting bitting. Another, I think it's steel. Let's have a, no, aluminium. So these are aluminium pins. Standard, wow. I think this is going to be very boring. It's going to be spools and standard. So yeah, that was the other way around. That was like that. I was really expecting the little T-pin in there, the way that I just nudged something in it and it set. So I don't know. I don't know what was going on inside there. All part of my imagination, it seems. But it didn't feel like just spools, and these are very deep cut spools. Look how deep that neck of that spool is. It's quite pronounced. But yeah, interesting. When you don't have the key, you had no clue of the bitting either. Oh, those are anti-drill pins, okay. So again, looks like aluminium, steel, aluminium, or aluminum to those in the US. Steel, steel, and possibly steel. Let me get a magnet on this. So nothing, nothing, nothing. Oh, so this is steel. That's steel. Ah, come back. Obviously the anti-drill are steel, but this, whatever this is, I'm assuming it's aluminium, it could be anything really, but it's not magnetic at all. Not even slightly. Interesting. So yeah, nothing special in this lock at all, despite what it felt like. I mean, it didn't put up too much resistance, but the bitting looks quite cool. So we had two, so if we look here, we had 2 0 lift pins in 1 and 4, a very high cut on the key would have been on position 5, protected by this 0 lift, I imagine, or pin in position 4, and again a relatively high pin in position 2 as well. So I mean, it's not bad bitting, but it's a very strange lock. It wasn't quite as, I don't know, secure as the picking felt like it was going to be. But there you go, that's an ABUS Pfaffenhain 2K SKG lock. Thank you to Rick for giving this to me. It's a fun little pick. I expected a little bit more from the insides, but yeah, that's more me than the lock. If you like this video, give it a like. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so. And if you have any comments, throw them below. I do read them all, and I try very hard to reply to as many as I can. And I'll see you all next time.